Hey guys, it's Baldwin here. Hope this video is finding you well. I'm starting to use this new platform called Classkick for math. I think it'll be really helpful both for you guys and for me. So I wanted to do a little demo on how it works. So right now I have up my 8th period math Google Classroom. It'll be exactly the same for first hour. Here's the post from a couple days ago. Just go ahead and click on Classkick. And then it is going to prompt you for your name. Please put in your first and last name. Click go, and then it's automatically going to bring you to the assignment. And it looks kind of like if you click this button, it looks kind of like a PowerPoint, and there's different information on each of the slides. Keep in mind this first assignment really is just to get you used to the platform. So one of the cool things I want to show you is it's got all these tools up here where you can actually write things. The other neat thing is you can type things as well. If you click this little T, you can make a text box and say, "Hi, it's Baldwin," all over again. You can also change the color of everything using all of these tools up here. But my favorite tool, what I want you guys to utilize as much as you can, is this little hand right here. And there's actually a slide on here. P.S. on this one, I'm not going to make you record stuff and submit it. Again, this is just showing you some of the tools that are on here. But what I do wanted to show you, sorry, can't find the slide. What I really wanted to show you is this button right up here, this little hand symbol. If you click that hand symbol, that's like saying, "Hey, I have a question." And you can even type comments in here and say, "Can you please check slide 4?" And then what happens is on my end, on the teacher end, I will see that someone needed help on one particular question. Now, this is all individual. So your classmates are not going to see each other's assignments just like you would with anything else. Only I can see that. So then on my end, what I can go do is, this is my teacher version. What I can do is go in and look at the work that you guys have done, and it gives me this little notification right here that, hey, this person needs help on this question. And then I can go in and say, hey, this is what you need to do, or you're on the right track, keep going, etc. So this is what I'm going to be using, and on the very last slide, it asks you, what do you think of Classkick? Please give me some feedback. Let me know if you like it or not. If you're indifferent right now, that's fine, or you don't really have an opinion, that's fine. We both just started using this. I do want to bring your attention back to the Google Classroom page. I did post 2 other videos on the quiz we took quite a while ago. So if you can grab your quiz and follow along with the answers on your own time, that would be wonderful. And then not until Tuesday, the 31st, that'll be the first day I'll actually post assignments. You're going to get a Google form as a bell ringer, and then you'll get a Classkick assignment. And then, as always, if you have questions, please reach out to either me or Mrs. Ritter. We're both working together to get all of this stuff done. So again, please, please, please contact either of us with any questions or any comments. Just let us know how you're doing. It's kind of a weird time. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of things happening, and I just want you guys to know we do care about you. All right. Hope you had a great spring break, and let's get started on some math.